Good day to everybody. Maraming salamat po sa muli nating pagkikita sa aking YouTube channel, and para dun sa mga bago at mga ngayon lang nakapanood ng aking YouTube channel, maraming salamat and God bless po sa inyong lahat. And alam niyo ba, today I am very excited because yung topic na i-share ko sa inyo is about more on management sa GERD o tinatawag na gastroesophageal reflux syndrome. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, o mas kilala siya sa tinatawag na GERD o heartburn. And before we start, gusto ko lang pong malaman, kasi ang GERD is common po ito sa all ages. Ngayon, kung ikaw na nanonood sa akin ngayon na nagsasuffer ka ng GERD o meron kang GERD o heartburn, o minsan nararamdaman mo lumalabas yung acid sa inyong bibig, I want you to type, oo, nararamdaman ko yan. I-type mo po, I feel it. Yun, okay? I want you to comment dun sa comment button. And para naman dun sa mga bago pa lang, make sure, remember to subscribe, to hit the subscribe button, and also to click the notification button, because I dedicated myself to create new videos every day na makakatulong po sa inyo lahat. So before we start it, let's get real. Welcome back po, and thank you very much po sa inyo. Today, ang pag-uusapan natin is something na very common sa lahat. Ito yung tinatawag na gastroesophageal reflux syndrome o gastroesophageal reflux syndrome. Okay, ano ba tong GERD? Ano ba tong heartburn? Okay, ang sabi sa medical, common daw po ito sa mga taong merong obesity. Common din to sa mga taong naninigarilyo, umiinom ng alak, mahilig sa soft drinks, and mas common ito sa mga tao na i-stress. Okay? Dito sa channel natin, bawal ma-stress, because ang sabi ng Panginoong Diyos sa atin, lahat tayo ay magiging abundant. So dapat walang stress, may focus, walang stress, clear of mind, and positive thinking. Okay. Para dun sa speaking of positive thinking, isa sa way na pagtanggal ng stress is you need to type, I'm free from disease. I'm free from disease. Okay? I-type nyo, kasi we encourage, dito sa channel ko, I encourage everyone. Okay pa yun? I encourage everyone to have a positive thought, to have a good emotion, okay? A good sense of humor, a happy feelings, para blessed, abundance, and wellness ang maramdaman natin sa ating sarili. Okay? Okay, balik tayo sa GERD. Merong mga technique, lalo na sa mga ages 20 years old and above na merong GERD, meron akong isi-share na technique na maaaring makapagtanggal ng inyong GERD, makontrol ang inyong GERD, at ma-overcome ang GERD. Okay, napag-usapan natin kanina ang stress. We also focus to eradicate o to eliminate stress. Alam nyo, ang GERD, mas nararamdaman yan pag nagagalit tayo, nagpapanik tayo, natatakot tayo. Have you encountered it? Have you? If yes, type mo nga, oo, naramdaman ko yan. Yes, Alex. Okay? So, ganito. I will teach you nursing intervention, an exercise, how to overcome your GERD. Okay, disclosure lang ha. If you have any medication, okay, this is my nurse advice. If you have any medication, particularly particularly on GERD. Okay? When we talk about GERD, pag meron kang medication, make sure you treat yourself. Okay? Still the best person to treat GERD is your doctor. And make sure, pag tingin mo, hindi mo na kaya to, masakit ang inyong dibdib, mainit, make sure to consult your doctor para i-treat ang GERD. Okay? This exercise or this technique, ang gagawin lang natin is a nursing intervention to prevent, to overcome, and also to make sure that pag dumating ang GERD sa atin, we can control the GERD. Okay? First, okay? Ang exercise na to, ang tinatawag natin is breathing exercise. Today, I will teach you 3 breathing exercise to overcome stress, to overcome panic, to have positive thoughts, and to think abundance. Okay? So, ready na kayo? First exercise, deep breathing exercise. I know common na to, pero this time, I want you to have your deep breathing exercise. Ito ang gagawin natin. If you breathe, if you inhale, make sure na nagko-compress yung diaphragm mo. Okay? You suck more air. Why? When you suck more oxygen, you will regulate your brain. Your brain will stop thinking. That your brain will be regulated. Okay? Your brain will be nourished by good oxygen. Okay? So, inhale, exhale. Okay, expand ngayon yung diaphragm. Exhale. Okay? So, you can do this if you want to close your hands. Then, syempre, i-ganon natin yung kamay natin to receive more blessings from God. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. Isa pa. Inhale. Make sure nakatak-in yung ating diaphragm. Then, exhale. Okay? You can do this exercise for 3 to 5 minutes if you want, or mas maganda matapos mo yung 5 minutes. So, inhale, exhale. Okay? Feels good? Okay, if you feels good in that first exercise, please type, I feel good, I feel good, I feel nervous. Okay? Okay. The second breathing exercise technique na gagawin ko is, ganun pa rin. We inhale, we exhale. We need to compress our diaphragm pag nag-inhale tayo at expand our diaphragm pag nag-exhale tayo. Okay? But this time, ang gagawin natin, we will hold, then mas mahaba ang exhale. Okay? Mas mahaba ang exhale. Ang reason niyan is to get more oxygen, tapos make the oxygen saturated to our blood, then exit mo o ilabas natin lahat ng carbon dioxide. Okay? So this time, more oxygen will go to our brain and mas mare-regulate natin, mas ma-overcome ang fear, okay? Mas mawawala ang sadness, ang depression, mawawala ang lungkot, mawawala ang panic, ang mga bagay, negative feelings. Okay? So, ma-overcome natin ang GERD natin. So, ready na kayo? Ready na kayo? So, let's go. Inhale. Okay, yung position ng kamay ulit, ha? Lagay natin. So, receiving blessings from God. Okay? Okay. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Your position. Receiving position. Hold. Exhale. Mas maganda nag-exhale sa bibig. Okay? Then inhale. Hold. Exhale. Okay. I know some of you guys nag-iisip, paano pag nakita kami? Siguro if you still uncomfortable with this, okay? Kung sino po uncomfortable, please comment below. If you feel uncomfortable pa rin dito, I think pwede nyo naman itong gawin alone. Katulad ko, nandito mag-isa, okay? So, next na gagawin natin, The last breathing technique I will teach you is this is one of my favorite. This is the most effective na nakita ko. Why? It combines the East medicine and the Asian medicine, okay? This technique called inhale exhale pa rin siya. We still have the hold and the long exhale, but this time we are not using our lips, we are using our nose, but alternate. So we will use our two little fingers here, okay, ating daliri. So we inhale first, we inhale sa left nostril natin o sa kaliwang ilong, hold, then takpan yung kaliwa, exhale sa ilong, then inhale, hold, lipat, exhale. Okay. The reason sabi sa Asian medicine kung bakit ganito is because of the yin yang. Okay? We need to balance everything. They believe that pag ganun ang inhale natin, the distribution of oxygen to the brain is also giving tinatawag nilang equal amount of distribution. So mas mabilis nating ma-overcome ang panic at walang acid na lalabas. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay, this is my tip. Every time you do inhale, exhale, there must be a long distance. Okay? So, kasi pag inhale, exhale, tapos ang bilis-bilis din, still, that's on the panic stage or the anxiety stage. So, para matanggal natin yon, tayo mismo ang magpocontrol ng breathing natin. Then, it will now relieve the GERD o yung tinatawag na reflux natin, acid reflux. Because magpocontrol natin yung acid sa ating tiyan. Okay? So, if you find this tutorial very effective, please comment. Please comment. Sabihin mo, Alex, it's effective. I want to know your feedback. And if you find this video very effective, please like, subscribe, and don't forget, lalo na kung bago ka dito, remember to hit the notification bell because every day I dedicated myself to give you powerful videos that can help you to become more abundant, more healthier, more wellness, and siyempre more mas malapit sa Panginoon. Okay? So God bless inyong lahat. Maraming pong salamat. This is Nurse Alex again, Nurse Alex Palagangas, and thank you very much for watching my video.